Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting launches in the compact SUV segment, the all-new 2026 Dacia Duster. This model has long been a favorite among drivers looking for rugged utility at an affordable price, but with the 2026 version, Dacia has taken things to a whole new level. It's not just a practical SUV anymore, it's a bold, head-turning machine packed with style, power, and innovation. From the very first glance, the 2026 Duster commands attention with its completely revamped design. The exterior has undergone a significant transformation, boasting a sharper, more aggressive stance while maintaining its adventurous roots. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights blend seamlessly into a redefined grille, giving the front a futuristic yet muscular look. Sleek body lines, pronounced wheel arches, and a raised ground clearance give it that true SUV persona while still looking modern and urban-ready. The aesthetic upgrade isn't skin-deep either. The materials used in the exterior cladding and roof rails reflect a shift toward both durability and elegance. Every curve and detail of the body seems sculpted with intention, making the Duster look more premium than ever before. The new alloy wheel designs further complement the rugged character, all while supporting off-road readiness. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that finally matches the refined exterior. The cabin of the 2026 Duster is where Dacia has made some of the most noticeable upgrades. The layout is ergonomic, stylish, and surprisingly tech-forward for a vehicle in this class. The infotainment system now features a large, high-definition touchscreen equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and intuitive, while the materials used throughout the cabin, especially on the dash and seating, exude a more upmarket feel. Comfort-wise, the Duster offers ample room for passengers in both rows, and the seats now come with improved bolstering for long-distance journeys. There's also more sound insulation, meaning a quieter cabin even when driving on rough terrains or at higher speeds. The boot space remains generous, ideal for families, weekend adventurers, or anyone who appreciates practicality alongside style. Under the hood, the 2026 Duster doesn't disappoint. Depending on the market, you'll find a variety of engine options, from fuel-efficient petrol and diesel variants to the more eco-conscious hybrid and LPG alternatives. The standout, however, is the newly introduced hybrid drivetrain, combining performance with impressive fuel economy. It delivers punchy acceleration while keeping emissions and fuel costs low, an ideal mix for today's conscious drivers. Paired with either a slick manual or a newly refined automatic transmission, the Duster delivers a surprisingly engaging driving experience. The improved suspension system ensures better handling both on and off-road, while features like hill descent control, multi-mode terrain response, and enhanced traction make it more capable than ever when the pavement ends. Technology and safety have also seen a serious upgrade. The 2026 Duster comes with a suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These additions make it not just more convenient to drive, but significantly safer too, meeting the expectations of modern drivers without inflating the price tag unnecessarily. Dacia has managed to strike a unique balance with this release. The 2026 Duster is still an affordable SUV at heart, but with design and feature improvements that push it into more premium territory. It's clear that this model is no longer just a budget-friendly utility vehicle, it's become a stylish, powerful, and well-equipped SUV that confidently competes with bigger names in the segment. What makes it even more compelling is Dacia's commitment to value. Even with all these enhancements, the 2026 Duster is expected to retain a price point that undercuts many of its rivals, making it a smart buy for those who want capability, comfort, and contemporary design without breaking the bank. In a market crowded with SUVs trying to do it all, the Duster stands out by doing exactly what it's always done, just better in every way. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling backcountry trails, this SUV delivers. With its stylish new look, enhanced tech, efficient performance, and undeniable presence, the 2026 Dacia Duster is shaping up to be not just a smart choice, but a desirable one. That's all for today's spotlight on the 2026 Dacia Duster. Thanks for riding with us at Auto Speeds Vibes, where passion meets horsepower and style gets the spotlight. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.